Thank you, God, for the opportunity to make another video. Welcome back to the MoneyPot Channel. It is your host, Elijah, back here in action. I hope that you're having an amazing start to your week. It's fall, y'all, and you gotta enjoy fall most of the time. In this video, we're gonna be talking about an extremely important topic, and that is why your crypto strategy is not working. We're gonna be talking about some of the more detrimental things that investors do with investing in cryptocurrency that are seriously prohibiting them from becoming successful investors. We got a lot to talk about. Not only are we going to identify problems, we're talking about solutions here as well. Let's get into the video. The MoneyPot Channel is a library of educational content created from a biblical perspective. The content provided here on the MoneyPot Channel is designed to improve viewers' knowledge of world economics events, cryptocurrency, and much more. The information provided here on the MoneyPot Channel is not considered financial advice. Seriously, when investing in cryptocurrency and developing a strategy, it sucks when you feel like I'm broke, nigga, I'm broke. And it doesn't have to be that way. Really take time and evaluate first off your financial stability. You should not be investing if you do not have the money to invest. Think of this money as, money that you're just going to put away and it's not going to do anything. You don't need it for rent. You don't need it for bills. You don't need it for anything besides investing. If it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down, it goes down. My perspective is always long-term with my investments, especially cryptocurrency, because there's no telling how long it's going to take for, my bag to reach a real bag. Before I get too deep into this video, I don't believe that it is one factor necessarily, or just a couple of factors that is leading to increased difficulty in being a successful investor. I mean, we've got to worry about market volatility. We've got to worry about political agendas, not even here just in the United States, but all around the world. And we have to worry about really supply chains. Interest rates, so many factors are going into it, making it harder and harder to be a successful investor. And this is one of the main reasons why I wanted to do this video, exactly, to help individuals that are investing in cryptocurrency. Watch out for some of the pitfalls that can be detrimental to becoming a successful investor. It's becoming harder and harder to get good at investing, especially with all the scammers and, hype beasts in the cryptocurrency space. We must use logic and implement it in our crypto investing strategies. Information is very helpful in making decisions on when to buy certain investments. And, whether it is about, maybe some legislation coming through about cryptocurrency, maybe it's about a cryptocurrency partnering with, some major financial institution, or, getting, naming rights to a stadium, or, some influencer talking about a certain cryptocurrency. That is major. And the sooner that you get the information, the sooner that you can make a decision on if it's right to buy or not. But I think it's important to just be reading a lot of information. And that's what Warren Buffett says that he does. We see here, he says, I read and read and read. I probably read 5 to 6 hours a day. I don't read as fast as now as when I was younger, but I read 5 daily newspapers. I read a fair number of magazines. I read 10Ks. I read annual reports. I read a lot of other things too. I've always enjoyed reading. I love reading biographies, for example. I think this is great advice, especially in regards to realizing maybe why your crypto strategy is not working. Are you reading enough? Here are some of the main websites that I read daily. We got Cointelegraph, and this is a great site for cryptocurrency news and updates. And then we've got CoinMarketCap. Now this is where I just go daily to see where the market is at, but they also put out a lot of valuable information on cryptocurrency. And I also like to take into account world news and events when I'm thinking about investing. Are you liking this video?
You like that? You like that?
Well, make sure you like the video and drop a comment while you're at it. All right, now let's get into talking about what are some of the reasons why your crypto strategy is not working. I'm going to provide 3 problems that I identified as well as 3 solutions. Let's get into them. First and foremost, you are probably following the influencers and the hype beast too much, and you're not listening to logic. It's extremely important to realize that sometimes those influencers and, even celebrities are paid to hype a coin up. We see Kim Kardashian and Floyd Mayweather Jr. just get in trouble for this with Ethereum and a form of Ethereum. And we have to be mindful of this when people are hyping up a certain coin, because that can mean that they purchased at a really low price and they just wanted it to get a little bit higher so that they can make a whole lot of money. And that is a shame that individuals are like that. But here on the MoneyPot channel, we don't do that. We tell it like how it is. How do you combat the issue of listening to the hype beasts and influencers? Not only do you subscribe here to the MoneyPot channel, but you watch what the banks and the large financial institutions are doing, especially in the crypto space, because that is going to tell you what cryptocurrencies are going to be used by the entities that have the most money. Don't listen to the influencers. Seriously. And I don't think that it would be bad to maybe listen to some of the billionaires, some of the smarter ones. Like, maybe if Warren Buffett starts investing in a crypto, it must be pretty sound. I don't think that he does, though. I like Robert Kiyosaki and also Mark Cuban, who's also big into tech. Elon Musk, I know he's really big into Dogecoin, but he probably does not talk too much about his real bags. The next reason why your crypto investing strategy is not working out for you goes hand in hand with the first reason we listed. That is, you are buying high and you are selling low. You are buying when it is already peaked. You're buying once it's already been hyped up. You need to buy low and sell high. Have you ever heard of, I just bought the dip? This is what that means. When it's going down, that is the best time, typically, to buy something, especially a cryptocurrency, in my opinion. I think it's important to utilize and listen to sound technical analysis. What I like to do is I like to look at the 52-week, the 1 year moving average of on a chart, of a cryptocurrency. And I like to listen to individuals who know how to do technical analysis, and they post it on Twitter. All right, so here are a couple of Twitter accounts that I like to take a look at in regards to technical analysis, mainly for XRP. First off is Dark Defender, who I think does a great job of explaining his technical analysis and just providing that for us. And then the next one is Crypto Bull 2020, who I think as well does a great job. If I'm just trying to get a feel for the overall market, I really just use that 52-week moving average just to get a feel of where the averages of a certain cryptocurrency is at, or the total market. Same with the stock market, but that's basically my my analysis when it comes to technical analysis. I don't get too deep into doing my own technical analysis besides looking at those moving averages and seeing if there's a lot of buying pressure or a lot of selling pressure. And the last reason why your crypto strategy is not working out for you is just because you're not researching the top cryptos in regards to utility. When I say top cryptos, I mean the cryptos that are going to be building this new financial system. The cryptocurrencies that are bringing value moving value around the world and are going to be useful in day-to-day life, whether it is in the area of banking and finance, whether it is in medicine, whether it is in real estate, or supply chain development, or even law. It's important to research the top cryptos and the top cryptos based on utility. Because like I've said in many of my past videos, and I'll say it again, the utility bull run is going to put this speculation and meme coin run to shame. It seriously is, because that's when we're going to see trillions and trillions of dollars get pushed into the crypto space. So we see that there are some key things that we can watch out for in regards to investing in cryptocurrency. Like I said, none of this is financial advice, but please be aware that it is detrimental to follow influencers and celebrities in regards to investing in cryptocurrency. They're looking just to get rich quick, and they might just pump and dump, which is highly illegal and is a shame. Also, realize that it's important to use sound technical analysis. And if you don't know how to do it on your own, learn and go look for some individuals who have been doing it for a long time, especially in the cryptocurrency that you like, and tailor that to your strategy. And, just take time and realize that investing is a long game. Unless you want to just be strictly a day trader and just get little wins, and maybe you're doing options, I don't know. But seriously, look at it long term and realize that it may take, 3 to 6 months, maybe 6 months to a year, maybe a year to 3 years for, your investment to not only pay off, but to pay off it all. And we're talking about, generational wealth here. That's my perspective with my investing. Hope that you're able to find this video informational. Like, dislike, share, subscribe. Do what you do, but I appreciate you. And until next video, stay blessed, stay healthy, stay prayed up. Peace.
Hey,